How to screenshot snaps without them knowing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can screenshot Snapchats without them knowing, so make sure to stick with me till the end. If you have Snapchat, someone sent you a certain snap and then you want to screenshot and take a screen recording of that snap, but without letting the other person know that you've taken them, how do you do this? Well, officially if you do this, then of course that's going to be notified. So what I want to do is, first of all, open Snapchat and then just come to the chat page. Now do not open the snap yet. After you come to the chat page, just turn off your Wi-Fi and then basically turn on flight mode. I want you to disable any sort of type of connection that you might have with your Wi-Fi or internet service provider. After you disable any sort of connection with that, now you can open that snap because the snap has already been loaded in the background, and now you can just go ahead and then take a screenshot. But don't worry, do not go ahead and turn on your Wi-Fi right away. What I want you to do is now long press the Snapchat app icon, tap the I option here, then go to storage, clear cache, and go to manage storage and clear the data. After you've done this, go ahead and then restart your device, and now you can turn on your Wi-Fi, disable flight mode, open the Snapchat application, and then after that you can try to log in and Snapchat will not notify the other person if you've taken a screenshot for that snap. So this way you will be able to screenshot snaps without them knowing. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.